Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. I'm going to share with you how to set lecture meetings over a semester with the student using Google Calendar and using Google Meet. First of all, we need to have the Google Calendar. So I have opened the Google Calendar here. Today is 20th October and let's say today I have class with students from 4 until 6 p.m. So what I have to do is bring the cursor here, click here, and you can see a pop-up window appears, and I need to change the time here because my class is from 4 until 6. So click here and then choose 6 p.m. Okay. Okay, let's say today I have a lecture in audit with group D. So I need to write that because today is only for group D, not for the other groups. Okay, because it's going to be a weekly lecture. Okay, I'm going to click here, does not repeat, so that I can repeat the schedule here every week on Tuesday at 4 until 6 p.m. So I'm going to choose weekly on Tuesday here. Yeah. And then I'm going to use the medium for the online teaching, which I'm going to click at video conferencing here. And you can see that the three medium appeared here because this is actually linked to our university system. I'm going to use Google Meet. Click here. So that means the system has set that every Tuesday at 4 until 6 that the medium online teaching would be using Google Meet. Yeah. Right. So you can explore the rest of the items here, but I would like to share with you the description and the attachment, especially the attachment. If let's say you wanted to share the notes with the student, you can attach here. Okay, so after that, save. Make sure that you save. Otherwise, it will only for this particular day. It will not be repeated for the following weeks. Save. Yeah. So you can see here that next week the same thing will appear, and in November, December, yeah, and even in January, even in February or even in March, you can see. Yeah. So let's say my class is only until December. I do not have any more in January onwards. So I would like to delete this. Yeah. So this is December and this is January. So I'm going to delete this. So you have to bring the cursor here to delete. So right click and then delete. And choose the second one. Check the second one, this and following event. Press OK. So you can see by doing that, the subsequent schedule of the lecture has been deleted. Yeah. Now let's go back to October today here. So how am I going to share this with students? So I need to right click. I need to click here. Okay, and you can see that there's a share here, copy. So just copy that and paste to the maybe WhatsApp group or maybe to the Telegram group. Okay, because my student, I have their Telegram group. I just paste here, send, and then afterwards, yeah, maybe 10 minutes before or something like that, they can open this. Yeah. So by clicking on that, it will direct the student to the Google Meet. Yeah, I'm going to close this, right? Okay, now, okay, next. Okay, let's say for the next class. Okay, I have this, yeah. So how do I share? I will repeat the same. Just click here and I will copy the link and paste to the student Telegram or WhatsApp group. Yeah. So that's how I share the URL Google Meet with the student. Okay, now let's say today we have a class. Okay, so I just click here, open the Google Meet, Google Calendar, and click here, and then I just click here, join Google Meet. Yeah. So when I join here, it will direct me to the Google Meet. Okay, let's say I'm joining now. Now here I have actually put an extension to allow the student to join automatically. So I can click this and the student and the system will allow whoever that has this address, okay, or URL, it will automatically admit them to the Google Meet meeting. Yeah. So that's how I have